It has two terminals. It has both output terminal and this thing, and input terminal. Both terminals has both live and neutral.
Yes.
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 So the output terminal is to feed the house, to supply electricity to the house.
Okay.
While the input terminal is for charging, either by NEPA or what?
A generator.
Or generator. So each terminal carries both live and neutral. So now under this changeover, we use down for output terminal from the inverter.
Okay.
That will feed the house. This side of the changeover is for output on the inverter. This side for changeover is it will be connected to load. The load wire coming from the house. Like now, the load wire coming from the house, it enters this place. This generator changeover. So we removed it. We now place, you can see, I have to use wire to add it to this one to make it longer. We now bypass it, we now place the load wire in there.
Okay.
Then the input of the inverter is here. You know that I told you that load wire was here previously. We removed it. This is where the input of the inverter will enter. So it's to either charge with that generator with NEPA or generator. You know that this place is either NEPA or generator.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Okay.
Do you understand?
What about this?
This one is to serve as a breaker for the output. It's just a breaker. It's like a bypass switch. You can see we looped this side.
Yeah.
Then it is also looped down to the load to the load side. So that in case there is a overflow or anything, you can trip off. And you can also switch it off. If you want to shut down the whole system, you don't want the inverter this thing. Maybe you are traveling, you can shut it down and put your inverter off. So it's just a switch, like a breaker. Yeah. So that goes for that aspect. And this is the charge controller. This is an MPPT charge controller. MPPT is maximum power tracking, maximum power tracking, maximum power point tracking. Yeah. That's the meaning of MPPT. It doesn't. You must have heard of PWM charge controllers.
Yes.
You've heard of it before, or you've not heard of it.
Heard of it before.
And the difference is just that this one is to charge the batteries without any loss, any voltage or current loss from the panel, like 100% as it's coming from the panel. It will release it directly to the battery. But if you are using a PWM charge controller, it's around 75%. There will be some losses. That's just the difference.
Wọ́n tó bá fẹ́ gba mẹ́rin ló máa ná mẹ́rin tó bá jẹ́ 50.
Collect for take one.
Prayer pipe for 2.
Kò sí collect one. Kò sí buy for take one for free.
Since tó jẹ́ 50 náà, wọ́n tó bá fẹ́ gba mẹ́rin náà sọ rẹ̀ o lè fún wọn so buy 3 take one for free. Wọ́n tó bá ń gbé 15.